We have a delivery. Someone got a delivery from YouTube.
YouTube?
What's that? Come check it out, guys. Come on. Special delivery.
YouTube.
Shall we open it?
Wow. Welcome, guys. Oh my goodness.
I've never seen one of these in person.
Me neither.
Guys, this is a huge milestone.
I don't think you guys understand. We are famous now and YouTube streamers.
That's good news for the day.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeesh.
Rouse it up.
You all roused it up.
Yes.
Congratulations.
This is a huge milestone for us. We're passing 100,000 subscribers. And it has a mirror in it. Hi, Johnny.
Yeah, you can do your hair in the morning.
Congratulations.
Great
To
job.
all
guys.
of us. You guys did it. You guys did it. Guys, don't forget to rouse it up.
What's up?
Wave for him.
Yanni, no?
What's up? The baby.
I just need to get the baby out.
You can't even tell you're
Not
pregnant until
eating.
only from the front and the side. That's it. You can't tell from the back.
Well, hope the baby's out in the back.
Ask of me and say you have to come.
So Baba is back.
You have
Baba is back. Where's the baby? You can't come without the baby. Go home. Go home.
I have a call with the broker right now in about 3 minutes. The first thing you want to check is market liquidity. You want to look at home sales in that zip code and then a little bit out of the zip code and just make sure it's not like the top ARV.
Yanni, Andrew's giving the speech.
No, I'm gonna have a panic attack. No.
You didn't get to give a speech for your birthday.
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt, but here's why I don't think I'll do it is because at 12 months it's at a negative profit.
He's buying it for 1.8.
Putting 300.
Well, can we get a higher ARV? Is he being conservative on the ARV? Can he reduce his budget or his cost basis? I would ask him like, hey, do you have wiggle room on the budget? Or do you think that we can get a higher ARV because there's not much profit in this deal for you, sir?
You know, the one thing Johnny always says, you know, you really make money when you buy low.
It gets passed around.
No, he's on the phone up there. We keep telling him to come.
They're probably overpaying for the property if there's no profit.
It's not listed, but the Z estimate says like 1.65.
Yeah, they're probably overpaying. That's what I would tell them. I would say, look, if you're paying 818, there's not a lot of profit and it'd be hard to get it approved at an ARV of 2.5. So either A, you get a higher ARV and tell them what you're looking for based on the bridge profit. We need 2.6 or 2.7 at these numbers, or you need to reduce the purchase price or rehab budget.
Okay, I got it.
I like the jacket. Looking sharp.
It's the boss.
Walk away, you lose. Oh.
Nothing different other than the interest reserve, which he knew about. February interest reserve, 4,000. Yeah, so it's not much different. It's 10,000 more.
She's gonna have to make that payment anyway.
Yeah, it's a good LTV.
It's a good deal.
There's a broker involved.
Because she already put a deposit, but it's a closing cost.
You working on the land?
Yeah, there's nothing different than what you told her.
I think she scared the guy. He's going 4 points. Oh, wow. Yeah, because he's not calling me back. What am I gonna do? How am I gonna make money? How can I go to Drake to see his show? What we're gonna do, we're not gonna talk to him for the next day or so. And tomorrow you're gonna call him, you're gonna tell him, okay, Yanni fixed it, he talked to the investors, everything's okay.
But the challenge is, if he wants to charge 2, like, wants to add an extra quarter.
So tell him 1.75, it is what it is. But next time you need to disclose it from the beginning.
Yeah, earlier.
The very beginning. And you must talk to the borrower, you can't talk to the broker. Business is business, we gotta do it right, you know, we gotta talk to the borrower, we gotta do this the right way, the way we know how to do this business.
100%.
Because he's your friend, when you do business, comes to money, your friend. That's in reality, that's the way it is. So you gotta watch your back, and the way to watch your back is to talk to the borrower. You don't know what's happening behind closed door. Don't call him today. Tomorrow you're gonna call him and tell him they agreed to 1.75. Yanni fought with them all day yesterday, was on the phone back and forth. We're gonna change your name from Johnny Cash to Johnny Cass without the H.
What does that mean?
The H, you need to work for it. And she used to be in mortgages, now she's in home development. She's becoming the expert You're not just working as doing this for business, you're also helping people.
Color.
Because what we do with the low-income housing, we're not just making money, we're helping the community in LA. This is one unit, one whole unit. This is the entrance. You're coming in, this is the space right here, like a studio, but then you enter right here for a 1-bedroom. Very, very small. Right here, there's going to be the bathroom, the restroom, right here. So it's a small 1-bedroom, small bathroom, and then a little bit of space here with the kitchen over there.
It's actually nice. To get all that.
This is all 400 square feet, maybe 380 square feet.
You're making money.
We're helping people. Okay, I'm making money.
Nani doesn't work for free.
Listen, it's better to make money and help people than make money and...
True.
But if Yanni wasn't a millionaire, I don't know if he would be helping those people.
Why not?
Yeah, otherwise he'd be with the homeless people.
Listen, let's put it this way. Until now, when I did hard money, it was solely about the money. But now I have a bigger incentive because I help people. Ask me, when we see those people, they moving in, you never seen this kind of move ever in your life. They come with a Greyhound like this, with a little suitcase and a skateboard or something like that, and they're moving in.
They're so grateful.
And you see those people and they're like, oh my God, I just want to take a shower. You know how you feel?
I think it's Yanni's birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Cynthia. Happy birthday to you. I was singing Bucket Luck. And also Cynthia just got engaged. She's getting engaged.
You are?
Anyway, I just want to thank everyone. Yanni, Roz, everyone. You're my second family, so yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm engaged. Roz, speech.
Say something.
Speech.
I'm glad Zoe's back. I'm sorry. Sorry, Cynthia, but it's your birthday, man.
None taken.
I still don't know what Cynthia does here.
When Yvette came by,
What does she do?
I don't know what she does, but and I told Roz the same thing. It's like, listen, you always come to me and you tell me, what the hell you do? You don't do nothing, but I do everything. And Lynette, she doesn't do anything, but she does everything. And who I learned from this business? Lynette, 20 years ago.
I did nothing. Somehow everything
I
was
guess I'm doing it wrong.
going correctly, right?
I'm doing things wrong.
Cynthia, the way we start working together because of one of my investors, and she called me one day, she was like, listen, Cynthia just, she's not working anymore where she is, maybe you should call her. And then I was thinking, that's a very smart idea. And then I contacted her. In the beginning, we wanted to work out some kind of a partnership, which didn't work out. Now, most of the things you try in your life, they're not gonna work out.
Yeah.
You know, but one thing is gonna work out and you're gonna make, create good success with it. And that's what we did. Then she came back and bigger, stronger, and now she's from processing loans and doing escrow. Now she's line servicing.
Yanni always put me in a situation that is very challenging and and learning, a great learning experience. So thank you.
Yeah!
Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you got value out of this, definitely like, share, and subscribe. Check out our show, The Hard Money Lions, on YouTube here. And don't forget to Roz it up.